In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate kitchen essential, dish racks. Discover our top 5 picks that combine style, functionality, and space-saving solutions. Whether you have a small kitchen or a large dining area, these racks will keep your dishes organized and easily accessible. From sleek, modern designs to rustic charm, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips.
The over-the-sink dish drying rack offers an adjustable fit from 22 to 35.6, making it perfect for any kitchen space. With its sleek, rust-proof design, this rack not only saves countertop space but also keeps dishes organized and dry. Its sturdy construction holds plates, utensils, and more, providing a hassle-free drying experience. A must-have for smart kitchen efficiency.
The Kitchura Dish Drying Rack is a space-saving solution for your kitchen counter. Its compact yet sturdy design accommodates dishes, utensils, and cups efficiently while keeping your countertop organized. With a built-in drainage system, it prevents water buildup, ensuring a dry and tidy surface. Upgrade your kitchen with this sleek and functional dish rack.
The dish drying rack with drain board is a sleek stainless steel solution for your kitchen counter. Its durable, rust-resistant frame supports dishes, utensils, and more, while the built-in drain board keeps countertops dry and mess-free. With easy assembly and modern design, it's the perfect blend of functionality and style for any kitchen.
Keep your kitchen organized with this 304 stainless steel dish drying rack. Crafted for durability, its rust-resistant frame offers long-lasting use. With a spacious design, it efficiently holds plates, bowls, and utensils while keeping your counter dry. Stylish and practical, it's the perfect addition to any modern kitchen.
The Runatol Large Dish Drying Rack with Drain Board Set offers ultimate kitchen organization with ample space for dishes, utensils, and cutting boards. Its built-in drain board ensures water flows directly into the sink, keeping your countertop dry. Made with a durable, rust-resistant design, this rack is both practical and stylish, perfect for busy households.